In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Translate. We will go from having nothing installed to actually translating text, speech, and more, all on your Android phone. First, open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a multicolored triangle on a white background. When it opens, you should see a search bar at the top and different app suggestions underneath, which tells you are in the right place. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the Play Store and search for Google Translate. Type the words Google Translate, then tap the search button on your keyboard. The Play Store will load a list of apps. At the top you should see Google Translate with the Google logo as the developer name. Taking a second to check the name and developer here helps you avoid unofficial copies. From there, select the official Google Translate app. Tap on the result that says Google Translate and shows the familiar multicolored G icon next to a blue and white translate symbol. This opens the app page, where you can see screenshots, reviews, and the install button. If you scroll a little, you can also see how many downloads it has, which is another way to confirm it is the official app. Next up, tap Install. The button is near the top of the screen, right under the app name. Once you tap it, you will see a progress bar and the word downloading, then installing. On a fast connection, this might finish in a few seconds, but on slower networks, it can take longer. When it is done, the button will change from install to open, and you will also see the app icon appear in your app drawer. With Google Translate installed, tap Open on that same screen to open Google Translate. The first time it starts, it may show a brief welcome screen with the app logo. After a moment, it will move you into a setup screen asking about your languages. If the app asks for permissions later, such as microphone or camera, that is for speech and photo translation features. Now, choose your main language and the language you usually translate. On this screen, you will see two drop-downs, often labeled as your main language on the left and your translation language on the right. For example, you might pick English as your main language and Spanish as the language you usually translate. You can change these anytime later, so do not worry about choosing perfectly now. At this point, you can start translating text, speech, photos, or handwriting. On the main screen, you will see a box where you can type text, a microphone icon for speaking, a camera icon for translating text in photos, and a squiggly line icon for handwriting. When you enter something, the translation appears in the box below within a moment. You have now installed Google Translate on your Android phone and used it to translate in several different ways, so if that helped, please give this video a thumbs up to help others, and feel free to subscribe if you want more quick guides like this.